guys, it's Miss Isha again. Welcome back to your maths lessons for this week. Now this should be your third day this week where we are looking at one less. So for the last 2 days you've been looking at one more, but today we're going to move on a little bit and look at something a bit different. Now let's think about that word less. If more means we were adding one more sock onto our washing line like we did on Monday, what do we think that one less means? If more means we're going to get one more, what does less mean? It's a bit trickier, this one, so it's okay if you're not sure. So one less is when we take one away. So we're not adding more this time, we're taking one away. So that's what less means, okay? So more means we're adding to a number, and less means we're taking away. So come and have a look at my washing line over here. I'd like you to have a look at my washing line. How many socks do you think I have got on my washing line? I'm not going to tell you straight away. Do you think you can guess without counting? Do you think you can have a good estimation of how many socks are on my washing line? Or would you like to have a go at counting them yourself? And then we will do it all together. Okay, let's have a look at how many socks Miss Isha's got on her washing line. Are we ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Fantastic. So Miss Isha has got 10 socks on her washing line. So what I would like you to do is go and get yourself 10 pairs of socks. It doesn't matter what colour they are or what patterns they've got on them. They can be any socks that you like. I'd like you to go and get yourself 10 socks. And if you've got a washing line or a rack or something that you can hang your socks on, that would be amazing. If not, don't worry, you can just do it on the floor. That's not a problem. So you can go and get your 10 socks. And you will also need 10 pegs to hang onto your washing line as well, won't you? Because if I put my socks on my washing line, it might fall off. So make sure you've got 10 socks and 10 pegs. So you can pause the video, go get your socks, go get your pegs, go get a washing line, and then come straight back. Okay, fantastic. Off we go. Let's get ready. So we are going to be looking at one less. So remember when we said that less means we are taking one away. So I've already got 10 socks. Have you got 10 socks? Make sure you've got 10 socks. Fantastic. We've got 10 socks. And now I want to find out what one less of my 10 socks is going to be. So if I've got 10 socks and I'm going to have one less sock on my washing line, what am I going to do? Am I going to add another sock? Shall I add another sock? No, that would be one more, wouldn't it? So I don't need any more socks. I still need my basket so I can put my socks away when I take them away, but I don't need to add any more socks. I've already got my 10 socks. So what's going to happen if I have one less sock on my washing line? Let's find out. So one less means I'm going to take one sock off my washing line and I'm going to put it in my basket. Now we had 10. What's happened when there's one less sock on the washing line? And if we're not sure, we can count, that's fine. So you ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, so we had 10. We've taken one away. And now we've got 9. Fantastic. Okay, have you got 9 on your washing line? Have a look, have a check and count them. So make sure we've all got 9 before we start our next job. Fantastic. Okay, so we've got 9 socks. Now what's going to happen when there's one less sock on the washing line? Now remember that one less means I'm going to take one sock off my washing line. So are we ready to take one sock off? Put it in the basket. What's happened to our number now? We had 9, now there's one less. How many are there this time? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. Now we've got 8 socks on our washing line. We had 9. We took one away. Now we've got 8. Fantastic. Okay. What do we think is going to happen next when there's one less sock on the washing line? What do you notice about the number of socks on our washing line? Are we getting more socks in our washing line? Or does the number of socks seem to be getting smaller? You're right, it's getting smaller. There's more socks in the basket that are going into the basket because we're taking them off, aren't we? Okay, so we've got 8 socks. Now let's find out one less. So I'm going to take one away. Who thinks they know what 1 less than 8 is? And if you're not sure, that's fine. You can count and check. Are we ready? Put my sock in the basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fantastic. So 1 less than 8 equals 7. We had 8. Now there's 1 less sock on the washing line. Now there are 7 socks on the washing line. Do you think you can say that with me? First there were 8. Then there was 1 less sock on the washing line. Now there are 7 socks. Fantastic. Okay, so we've got 7 socks. Now let's see what happens when there's 1 less sock on the washing line. So 1 less means we take one away, pop it in your basket. What's happened now? We had 7. There's 1 less sock on the washing line. How many's left? That's right, 6 socks. Well done. Fantastic. And we can double check that by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fantastic. First there were 7. Then 1 less sock was on the washing line. Now there are 6. Fantastic. Well done. So we've got 6. Who thinks they know what's going to happen when there's 1 less sock on the washing line? Do you think you can have a guess? We've got 6. What's going to happen when we take 1 away? That's right. There's going to be 5 socks now because we had 6. There's 1 less sock on the washing line. Now there are 5. Fantastic. Can you see what's happening to our socks? What's happening to the socks in our washing line? They're all disappearing, aren't they? The number of socks on our washing line is getting smaller and smaller because we're taking 1 away each time. Fantastic. Okay, so we've got 5. What's going to happen when we take 1 away? What's going to happen if there is 1 less sock on the washing line? Let's see if you can have a go at this without Miss Isha helping you. So we've got 5. What's going to happen when there's 1 less sock on the washing line? How many's left? Fantastic, there is 4. We had 5. There's 1 less sock. Now there are 4. Fantastic, well done. So 1 sock in the basket. Now we've got 4 left. So we've got 4 socks. Who thinks they know? Who thinks they can find out what 1 less than 4 is by looking at the socks here? You can move them off if you want. Let's move 1 away because we're doing 1 less, aren't we? We had 4. We take 1 away. Now how many's left? There are 3. Fantastic. So 1 less than 4 equals 3. Well done. Oh, our number of socks is getting smaller and smaller. We're not going to have any left by the end, are we? So we've got 3 now. Who thinks they know what 1 less than 3 is? Have a look at the socks. What's 1 less than 3? What's going to happen when I take off 1 sock? How many socks are left? There are 2. Well done. Look, 1, 2. So 1 less than 3. So we had 3. We took 1 away. Now there are 2. Fantastic. So we've got 2 socks now. What's going to happen when there's 1 less sock on our washing line? Take 1 away. Now we've only got one. We can't just have one sock on our feet, can we? What are we going to do? So we had two, we took one away. Now there's only one. There's only one lonely sock on our washing line. So what's going to happen if we take away the last sock on the washing line? We've got one sock left. So what do we think one less than one is? Think. What's one less than one? If I take away that, how many have I got left? That's right, 0. We've got no more socks left because we've taken them all off the washing line one at a time. We've been looking at one less, haven't we? Fantastic. Well done, children. Now, I know it's a little bit tricky when we talk about one less because it means we're taking them away. But you can have a play around with your socks on your washing line. You want to hang them back up and have a little play around with them. So let's see how many socks she's going to put on. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so we've got 5 socks. Ready for some challenges where we can start to move the socks around. We've got 5 socks. And I want to find out what 1 less than 5 is. Have a think. What's 1 less than 5? What am I going to do if it's 1 less? I'm going to take one away. That's right. So I'm going to move it along. There's a stinky sock. Here we are. There's our stinky sock. We're going to move the stinky socks away. Go, oh, bye stinky socks. So we had 5 socks. We've taken 1 stinky sock away. And now how many have we got? We've got 4. Well done. So 1 less than 5 equals 4. Fantastic. Okay, let's get some more stinky socks. Right. So I've got, how many socks have I got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. I've got 6 socks now. Who thinks they know what 1 less than 6 is? Have a look. Shall we move the stinky sock away? You ready? Say, ooh, bye stinky socks. Don't want you. You're smelly. So we had 6 socks. We took 1 away. Now how many's left? There are 5. Well done. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 less than 6 equals 5. Fantastic. So if you would like to carry on having a play around with those socks, see if you've got some stinky socks in your house, and have a look at taking away some of the stinky socks. And remember, we're only doing 1 less. So have a go at taking 1 stinky sock away at a time and see how many numbers you are left with. Okay, Red Base, make sure you come back tomorrow for your last maths activity for the week. Okay then, bye bye.